Good morning. Daily Dozen for Sunday, June 2nd, 2024. I'm going to focus on the letter F today. And the first thing I am grateful for is what you see in front of you. Four-legged friends. They are just sweet and loving and amazing. So grateful for those fuzzy four-legged friends. I'm grateful for family. Freedom of worship. Free days at the zoo and museums. Fires, even from candles to make s'mores. Fragrant candles. Funny comedians. Face cream. Fans. Farms. And you, my friend. Feeling funky. Have a great Sunday. Talk to you soon.